The Edale FL1 Prime is the most versatile label press you've ever seen. It's also an extremely cost-effective solution for high-quality label printing. This machine is a highly productive, fully servo-driven and economically viable quality label printing system. Our design priority has been to create an affordable system that is exceptionally quick to set up, generating minimal waste. The FL1 label printing machine is aimed as a logical replacement or addition to older mechanical presses used within the narrow web printing market, or as an ideal startup press for new ventures. The fully modular design allows for the press to be easily upgraded or customized as your business evolves and grows. Built on the fundamentals of its bigger brother, the FL3, and by using Edale's 75 years of experience in design, manufacturing and support, it allows for a reliable solution to the ever-increasing print quality demands within the label industry. Using proven servo-driven technology as standard and the world-renowned Uniprint printhead, design, quality, repeatability and low waste is easily and consistently achieved. This label here has been produced using an Edale FL1 Prime. A high quality metallic image is achieved by cold foiling and printing colours on top. 4-colour CMYK print is placed down with the Edale fully servo-driven design giving unrivaled registration accuracy. The label is then accurately cut in register and the waste taken off onto our break-free waste matrix. We can send you these samples, or if you like, you can contact us to arrange a personalised demo. And please take a look at our website to read more about the Edale FL1 Prime at www.edale.com or contact us at info@edale.com.